crunchy.
Don't touch.
Look at that camper.
I know.
Got a pop top and he's a sprinter, so he's super. He can do jumping jacks in there. Soulless is soulless.
It's a nice one.
Let's see if we can grab this spot here. I don't know what these people are doing. Oh, we got nowhere to be. I guess there's a porch party. I don't know whose truck that is. That's a nice truck right there. Cute pups.
Somebody turn it.
Yeah, they're coming out. I'm not backing out. I can't see back here. There's nowhere to go.
So what is going on?
This guy touched that car. I don't know. But he's stuck there.
Can you even fit?
I'm not going anywhere right now.
That is really nice people.
Yeah.
Wow. Gorgeous.
Somebody's coming.
Whoa. Can they get up?
Oh boy. Come to the park to have a nice calm walk, and we end up walking into the worst energy ever. But the truck turned into the Maxima or whatever that is.
I would just leave. There's no damage.
He can just pull out. He doesn't, the wife doesn't want to. She wants the sheriff to come up to tell them to pull it out. There's no damage.
The sheriff?
Yeah, I guess the sheriff is going to solve the crime. Taking the advice of Van Cave. I saw his video this morning. He said, go drive aimlessly. So I aimed at nothing and we ended up here. Total chaos. But hey, dig it. See all that chaos? Why are you crying, buddy? Why are you crying? Why are you crying? Look at that guy. He's got his shirt off. Yuck. I hear drones. But yeah, go check out Van Cave. He's got morning inspirational talks I like to watch. But today's message was, get out there and don't aim. So I'm wandering right now, aimlessly. Headaches. Turtle time.
If you want, she's friendly.
Okay.
She loves being petted on the head.
What's her name?
Her name's Nomad.
Nomad.
Nomad. Don't be scared.
So is it a turtle or a tortoise?
It's a tortoise.
Tortoise. What's the difference?
Turtles are sick because they go in water, they get salmonella,
Okay.
give off disease. This is desert cicada from West Africa.
So they're dry.
Yeah.
What does she eat?
Greens.
That's it.
Yep.
Healthy.
Yep.
So vegan.
That's why we should all eat.
Right?
We'll live to 150.
She's got like teeth on the back there.
Yeah, those are if a male doing something and she doesn't like it, she can attack
She's
it.
like a porcupine,
Yeah.
huh?
Which animal called?
Do you mind if I go?
Touch this and what is there?
When he's
Crunchy.
Yeah, only the dog doesn't bite.
yeah.
He's not even interested. Look at she's checking it out.
Nomad,
Coming to see Diggs.
Nomad, we're not going that way.
I don't know about you, but it looks flat to me. Here's the. This is where we're at. Point Center, Interpretive Center. So, if you like the video, if you don't, you can kick rocks. I'm peeping on vans. I think that's a Solus, Winnebago, pop up, professional camper. Just sitting at the park. So we just got back from our wandering aimlessly trip. Thanks to Van Cave for the advice this morning. We went out and just drove around and we got lost in the hood of PV. Good thing it was just a rich neighborhood. I don't want to get lost in no hood. I got lost in a hood on our road trip when we were in Chicago. I needed gas really bad and there was a pullout, so it was a small little neighborhood and it looked quaint and quiet, but looks are deceiving. We were getting gas and you're breathing on me. We were getting gas and you know, this kid rolled up and just eyeballing us too much. You know, when people just looking and looking and looking and looking and looking and looking. He was looking at our plates, he was looking at the truck, he was looking at us, and yeah, my spidey senses were tingling, so we just stopped getting gas real quick and hopped back in the car and went down the freeway, went down the highway to the next gas stop. Yeah, but it was a fun ride. It was a good way to test out Mama Bear to see if she can make it. And these were some steep hills, so I'm thinking she made it okay. And then we ran out of gas, so we stopped at a gas station and I just put 40 bucks in, and gas is expensive. Didn't even get 10 gallons. But I'm thinking I'm gonna need a spark plug change so we can get some more kick in her. Sparks, coils, maybe a new battery too. I just want everything to be, you know, solid up in the front there. Make sure she's got a good heart in the system. But yeah, all in all, she seems to be doing okay. Ride is nice and smooth. There's a little bit of grease coming out of that bearing, so I gotta make sure that that's good. Gotta check that out. But just sitting out in the parking lot right now. Gotta get a few groceries and then head back to the house. Not a house, head back to the apartment. I think this guy needs his nap. I need my nap too. I'm an old cat. I like my naps now. So I'll turn on YouTube. What's that?